What if a simple stack of old log could become the most beautiful piece in your living room? Most people see firewood as something to burn, but creative designers see endless possibility. Hello there, reviewers. Welcome back to Decor Idea channel. Today we will explore how to ordinary log and reclaimed wood can become stylish furniture and eye-catching home decor. These ideas combine natural beauty with clean, modern design to create furniture that looks custom-made. The best part is, you don't need a huge budget to achieve a luxury look. Let's discover how simple looks can completely transform your minimalist living room. So, watch the video until the end to see today's our idea and get inspiration. See logs as furniture, not firewood. Every log has hidden beauty waiting to be revealed. Natural wood brings warmth that manufactured furniture often cannot. Instead of burning old logs, imagine giving them a new purpose. One creative idea can completely change the way you look at reclaimed wood. Great furniture often starts with simple materials. Keep the design simple. Minimalist decoration is all about simplicity. Clean shapes allow the natural wood to stand out. Avoid adding unnecessary details. Let the wood become the main attraction. Sometimes, less truly is more. Mix natural wood with modern details. Wood creates warmth. Simple flat metal adds a modern touch. This contrast between two materials creates a timeless look. Together, they feel balanced and stylish. These combinations work in almost every modern home. Every log tells its own story. Every piece of wood has unique pattern. Small cracks and natural marks add personality. No two logs are exactly alike. That's what makes handmade furniture special. Natural creates beauty that cannot be copied. Turn functional pieces into art. Furniture does not always only needs to be useful. It can be also become part of your home decoration. Alongside table can become a conversation starter. A wood bench become a centerpiece. Functional furniture can also be beautiful. Build around the natural shape. Don't try to change every piece of wood. Let natural form guide the design. Curves and texture add character. Nature often creates better than that we could imagine. Work with wood instead of against it. Create a cozy living room. Natural materials instantly makes a room feel warmer. Wood balance modern furniture beautifully. Add soft cushion, cozy blankets, and warm lighting. A few natural pieces creates a welcoming atmosphere. Comfortable and stylish go hand in hand. Decorate with spending a furniture. Decorate without spending a fortune. Design furniture can be expensive. Reclaimed logs often a budget-friendly alternative. Creativity often matters more than money. Handmade furniture brings personality to your home. Beautiful decoration does not have to be expensive. Every piece becomes one of a kind. Handmade furniture is never exactly the same. Your projects reflect your creativity. Guests will notice its a unique appearance. That's something factory-made furniture cannot offer. Your home becomes more personal. The secret behind luxury rustic design is Luxury is not about the expensive materials, it's all about thoughtful design. Simple wood, clean lines, and careful planning creates timeless furniture. Great design highlights naturally beautiful. That's a real secret behind modern rustic style. Turn firewood storage into home decor. Firewood does not have to stay hidden. Arrange logs neatly in an attractive display. A simple stack can become part of the room design. Practical storage can also look beautiful. Smart decoration cabinets beauty with functional. Bring natural indoors. Natural wood helps create a peaceful atmosphere. It of reminds us forests and open space. Even one log furniture piece changes the feeling of a room. Nature-inspired decoration never goes out of style. It creates a calm and relaxing home, making petty corner more interesting. Many living rooms have unused corner. A handmade log table or plant stand fills that space beautifully. Add a lamp or a green plant on top of it. Small changes make a room feel complete. Every corner has decorating potential. Blend rustic and modern style. You don't have to choose one decorating style. The rustic wood pairs beautifully with modern furniture. The contrast creates visual interest. Warm wood softens clean modern space. Mixed styles create a unique home. Handmade furniture creates a lasting memory. Every project becomes part of your home's story. You will remember building it every time you see it. Handmade furniture has emotional value. It becomes more meaningful over time. That's what makes DIY projects so rewarding. Start with one simple project. You don't have to redesign your entire living room. Being with one side table or one decorative piece, small success builds confidence. One project often inspires the next. Great project's journey begins with a single build. Decorate with balance. Don't overcrowd your room. Let each furniture piece have space to stand out. Balance wood with light colored wall and simple decor. Keep the room open and comfortable. Minimalist space feels calm and they are not cluttered. Build something that lasts. Timeless furniture does not follow short-lived terms. Natural wood style beautiful year after year. Handmade quality never goes out of style. Build pieces you enjoy for many years. Lasting design is always a smart choice. Inspire others. Thoughtful creativity. Friends and family will notice your handmade furniture. They may be inspired to create their own project. Creativity has a way of spreading. One idea can inspire many more. Sharing your work encourages others to start building too. Greatest transformation is your perspective. The biggest change is not the log, it's the way you begin seeing every material. Ordinary wood becomes extraordinary with imagination. Creativity turns a simple idea into beautiful homes, and that's true beautiful of woodworking. Every log is one of a kind. No two logs are exactly alike. Every piece has its own grain shape and natural color. That's what makes handmade furniture feels special. Your finishing project will be completely and unique. Nature creates designs that cannot be copied. Build a living room that feels peaceful. Minimalist spaces are not empty, they are intentional. Every piece of the furniture has a purpose. Natural wood help create a calm and relaxing atmosphere. A simple log table can make the whole room feel warmer. Comfortable space begin with thoughtful choice. Let natural become the main decoration. You don't need lots of accessory. The wood itself becomes the art of work. Natural patterns create beautiful without extra decoration. Simple furniture allows these details to shine. Sometimes the materials is the design. Create a conversation piece. Just notice furniture that is different. A handmade log table often becomes the first thing people ask you about. It's more than furniture, it's a story. You will enjoy sharing it with created handmade project always feels more personal. Mix modern and rustic the easy way. Modern furniture does not have to feel cold. Rustic wood adds warmth and comfort. Clean shapes keeps the room looking fresh. The combination feels balanced and welcoming. It's a style that never seems to go out of fashion. Turn small logs into big ideas. Every short piece of wood can become beautiful decor. A, a small can become a stool. It can become a side table. It can become a plant stand. Never underestimate small materials. Keep the room open and bright. Leave space around each furniture piece. Open area help beautiful woods stand out. Bright walls makes natural wood colors even rich. Small layout feels clean and relaxing. Wood design is not about filling every corner. Add green plants for fresh look. Wood and plants naturally belongs together. A simple plant besides log table creates balance. Green leaves makes the wood feel even warmer. Natural inspired decoration is always inviting. It is one of the earliest way to complete the room. Make every furniture feels special. A side table does not have to be ordinary. Coffee table can become a centerpiece. A bench become part of the room decoration. Simple furniture can make a long-lasting impression. Designing every piece with creativity. Build around your lifestyle. Think about how you see your living room. Create furniture that fits your daily routine. Make space comfortable for relaxing, reading, and gathering with family. Beautiful furniture should also be practical. Good design makes everyday life easier. Appreciate natural impressions. Tiny cracks and knocks are part of the wood story. They make every piece feels authentic. These natural features add character. They remind us that real wood is full of life. Imperfections often becomes the most beautiful details. A handmade home feels more welcoming. Handmade furniture create a warm atmosphere. It is shows care and creativity. Every project reflects your personality. Visitors notice the difference between handmade always feels inviting. Build with furniture in mind. Choose timeless idea instead of passing through trend. Natural wood always has a place in home design. Simple shapes contribute looking beautiful for years. Furniture built with care stays enjoyable for longer. Classic style never loses its appeal. Make decorating affordable. Stylish homes don't always require expensive shopping. Creative ideas often matter more than expensive materials. Reclaimed logs are full of possibility. A little imagination can replace a bigger budget. Great decorating begins with resourcefulness. At the end, every beautiful living room starts with one thoughtful idea. You don't need expensive furniture to create a space that feels warm, modern, and welcoming. With reclaimed logs, creativity, and a little patience, you can build pieces that are both practical and beautiful. Start with one simple project and let your skill grow over time. Every handmade piece adds personality that no factory-made furniture can match. If today's idea inspired you, please like the video and subscribe for more woodworking projects, reclaimed wood in inspiration, DIY furniture idea, and affordable home decoration every day. We would love to hear you from in the comment section. Which log furniture project could you look best in your living room? Thank you for watching until the end. Keep creating and we will see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.